two major hosting providers, one showdown, DreamHost versus Hostinger, which one really delivers? On the left, DreamHost, reliable US-based hosting since 1997. On the right, Hostinger. Speedy, global and affordable, trusted in over 150 countries. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what matters for your site in 2025. Each category earns points, so by the end you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. So here's our plan. We're going head-to-head across 6 main categories: price, performance, security and privacy, features and tools, server locations, and user experience. Just imagine a spider chart with all those sections radiating out. We'll branch into each one in just a sec. Okay, first up is price. So DreamHost's rates for their shared hosting, not bad at all, and there's this 97-day money-back guarantee. I mean, that's almost unheard of, right? But as soon as you go for WordPress or VPS plans, yikes, they get way pricier, especially when those renewal fees kick in. Now Hostinger rolls in with practically the lowest starting price you'll find online, $2.99 a month. For real, plus even their cloud and VPS options are budget-friendly. You get a ton of features without breaking the bank, though fair warning, their prices do jump after the initial period. Still, for pure savings, Hostinger totally steals the show here. Switching gears to performance, DreamHost's reliability is solid, especially for US sites. You'll hardly ever have downtime, and it's a big but, load times linger closer to 3 seconds, which is kind of slow these days. There's also the occasional layout shift. Meanwhile, Hostinger is crazy fast. We're talking under a second for page loads, scoring way higher on GT metrics, plus they've got data centers all over the world. Lightspeed servers and integrated caching keep things zippy, seriously impressive. So in this round, Hostinger is easily out in front. Alright, security and privacy. Now DreamHost is kinda famous for being privacy-friendly. They toss in free domain privacy, malware protection, and a WAF on all plans. Not many hosts do that. Their lowest tier is a bit light on extras, but overall super secure. Hostinger gives you the basics: SSL, some AI-powered monitoring, but if you want full domain privacy, hey, gotta pay extra. Not a deal-breaker, but DreamHost definitely feels safer, especially if privacy is your jam. This round, DreamHost takes it. Oh, and here's something cool. Quick trivia break. Did you know DreamHost has been around since 1997? Talk about staying power. And Hostinger, they serve users in more than 150 countries. That's nuts. Back to our showdown. Features and tools time. DreamHost's got a cool AI-powered WordPress setup, SSL is free, and the control panel isn't too complicated. But wanna migrate a site? That'll cost you unless you're on their DreamPress plan. Their AI options kinda limited, honestly. Hostinger, though, makes migrations totally free and unlimited. Website and app builders powered by AI, email hosting thrown in, and one-click everything. Sure, some goodies are locked behind advanced plans, but for all the core stuff, Hostinger just makes life easier. So yeah, Hostinger wins on features. Let's get into server locations. DreamHost, well, they're all in on the US. Super reliable if your audience is mostly American, no question, but outside the US, not so much. By contrast, Hostinger has data centers everywhere: Europe, Asia, North and South America. You actually get to choose your server location. That's huge for reaching a global crowd. No-brainer, Hostinger takes the win here. Last up, user experience. DreamHost's dashboard, it's decent and the AI setup helps with WordPress. But honestly, the layout isn't the most intuitive, and yeah, support could be quicker. Hostinger nails it for beginners. Everything's super streamlined, live chat is fast and helpful, and even manual setup for advanced stuff isn't too painful. Between both, Hostinger definitely gives smoother vibes overall. If you mapped both out on a radar chart, Hostinger would be leading in almost every segment except for security and privacy, where DreamHost stays competitive. All the core features, speed, and flexibility, Hostinger's radar just stretches further. So you know what? If you're all about global reach, speed, and killer features, Hostinger for you. If you care most about privacy or just need solid hosting for US-based simple sites or blogs, DreamHost deserves a second look. But overall, Hostinger sorta blows past with its balance of value and performance. Did this clear things up? If you want to dive deeper, check out more web host battles on our channel and stay tuned. There's always another cool tool popping up for your next big project.